All right, I'm going to move pretty quickly through this just to save you and all of us time. Find the length of each segment. They say segment BD. Where is BD? Well, BD is going from -6. It's got a B is at -6 and D is at 3. What we want to do is we always want to do the coordinates of one point minus the coordinates of the other point, and then take the absolute value of them, meaning always turn it positive, okay? Because we're never going to have negative length. But the difference between them is going to be -6 minus 3 equals absolute value of -9, which equals 9. And I just want to use another color to show you the idea that what if we had switched the coordinates because there's no preferred starting point? What if we said the absolute value of 3 minus the coordinate of B, -6? Okay? Well, 3 minus -6 is the same as 3 plus 6. Right? The absolute value of that is the absolute value of 9, which is 9, because again, it's always positive. We're not switching the sign to its opposite. We're just always taking the positive of it. Okay, so we've got 9 as an answer. Okay, C to E, we say, what's the coordinate of C? 1 minus the coordinate of E, 7, and we take the absolute value of that. 1 minus 7 is -6, so the absolute value of -6, which is 6. Again, if we had reversed the order of them, and we started with the coordinate of E, 7, minus coordinate of C, 1, and we took the absolute value of that, we'd get absolute value of 7 minus 1, which is the absolute value of 6, and that's still 6. That's how you do them.